Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today we're going to check out Villa Ruby, a beautiful Algaba Frontline villa here on El Valle Golf Resort. As you come into Villa Ruby, you are immediately greeted with the modern yet retro style furniture, which comes fully included with this property. The dining area can easily fit 6 people around the glass table, and as you open up to the living area, you've also got a nice reading area with some modern yet again retro furniture. As you are looking around Villa Ruby, you'll see the 2 bedrooms at the front of the house, and you will see the master bedrooms with a walk-in wardrobe and a dual sink ensuite bathroom. And as you walk outside of your master bedroom, you are immediately greeted with the Frontline golf views on the Valle Golf Resort. Here you are overlooking the 3rd, 2nd and 1st hole of the award-winning golf course, not to mention partial sea views all the way down to La Manga on the clear days. You've got a beautiful outside area on this villa, but you can easily close it up with the glass curtains on the side of the property. You've got outside dining area in 2 different spots. You've got a barbecue area and this huge swimming pool that you'll enjoy in the summer. Well, that's it from me here today at Villa Ruby, but if you want any information about this property or any of the properties that we have to offer, make sure you click that link below and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to make sure you are updated with all of the latest properties that we have to offer. I'm your host Adrian Cockings and I'll see you next time.